You're thinking of buying a home and you don't know where to start. Hi, I'm Nancy Wittenberg with Coldwell Banker Realty. Purchasing a home is most likely going to be one of the largest investments in your life. You need an experienced professional agent to walk you through each phase to ensure your best interests are protected. I've been in the industry since 2010 and I've earned 6 additional certifications for my clients, one being the art of negotiations. First, here's how we'll help you. We will make sure that you're qualified to purchase your home. You'll know things like what types of loans you can qualify for, the maximum purchase price of homes that we can consider, and the estimated mortgage payment, including taxes and insurance. Once we know you're approved for a home loan, we'll get ready to start a house hunting process. To prepare, we'll talk in detail about what your needs and wants are with the home, plus how to research crime statistics, schools, future water supply, and anything that could possibly be problematic in that area or with the home that could affect the value later on. When you've found the one, we will help you negotiate an offer in a way that's beneficial for both you and the seller. You want them to accept your offer, right? Once it's accepted, we'll open escrow, give them your initial deposit called the earnest money, and start scheduling inspections. We are diligent about making sure we don't miss any contractual deadlines so that we keep your earnest money safe and you won't be at risk of losing it. It's super important after the inspections to know what is customary to ask and not to ask the seller. Once this is moving along, then we order the appraisal. Don't let the lender order it too soon, just in case there's an issue with the inspections that we didn't expect. We'll be in constant communication with all of the parties in the transaction to ensure that your best interests are covered and that we close on time. There are so many more parts to a transaction. I can be here for a few hours telling you all of it. Better yet, give me a call or text and I will become your trusted advisor. We'll walk you through step by step to ensure that you make the right decisions all the way until we give you the keys to your new home, and even, hopefully, becoming lifelong friends. And remember, my compensation can be rolled into the loan as it always has been, or paid by the seller. Easy peasy. Give me a call and let's see how we can get you into your new home. I'm Nancy Wittenberg with Coldwell Banker Realty, your dedicated home advocate.